Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new in my channel, hello to you. And for those who are always watching, thank you so much for always watching our videos, my videos. So anyway, today guys, I decided that I will never purchase anything in Temu.
Can I eat pizza?
Oh yeah, sure. So I decided that I will never I will never buy anything from Temu. It's because look at this. Like 15 days ago, I purchased this bucket that is like foldable and it's worth £3. Actually, I got it on sale in Temu. And look at it's so small. I'm so disappointed. So today I grabbed.
Look, why you say disappointed?
Come here.
Means you are sad.
I'm not happy. Yeah, I'm not happy with it. And then today
But disappointed means showing
Come here.
somewhere else.
Come here. So this one, I grabbed it today in Home Bargains. Look at that.
I should show them a trick.
Yeah. So this one is really big.
I should show them. Yeah, guys. It's a trick.
So this one is 10 liters. And can you open this one to show them the difference? It's £3 also. So, you know, it's like disappointing. And I checked, you know, as somebody who is always shopping, I always shop in Poundland, B&M, Home Bargains. And when I check the prices in Temu, before, yes, their prices are better, but now most of their prices are up. And open it, push it in the down to open it, push more in, push it like this, like that.
It's not working.
Yeah, like that. You push it, you hold it and push it until it become open. Push it more. 2 hands from here. Put your 2 hands here. So so now, okay, hold this. So now I decided that I will not buy anything in Temu because it's waste of money. I can buy cheaper items also here in Home Bargains, especially in B&M. Yeah, okay, like that. You just push it. So look at the difference. Okay, I don't know where I can put this camera here. Look at the difference, guys. Sorry, I cannot do it with one hand. So this is in Home Bargains. It's really... Oh, wait. I need to fold it again to open this. Wait. Okay.
So this is
okay, like that. So this is in Home Bargains for £3. And look at this in Temu. Yeah.
Show them all the bits.
Yeah. This is in Temu for £3. Let me
show them.
look at, guys. Look at the difference. So big difference. Yeah.
This one's big. This one is small.
So I will never buy in Temu, guys. That is just what I want to share. And maybe look at the difference. Oh God. You can buy cheaper here in UK already than in Temu. So that's it, guys. That is, I just want to share to you that I'm not going to buy anything in Temu because their prices are up. And bye, Alexander. Bye guys. Until next time.
Bye guys, and I take Tina with you on you guys. Because mommy's talking.
Okay, bye guys. Take care.
I know. I need them to hear my song.